Ho ho ho, it's tax season once again. In this video, I'll be sharing what is the best way to pay your income tax so that you can earn some rewards along the way while contributing to nation building. So without wasting any time, here's a quick overview of what you need to do. First, you want to speed up your tax payments to 12-month installments while setting up GIRO bank payments to IRAS. Second, you want to set up payments from payment services such as CardUp and iPayMy. And lastly, you want to set up GIRO payments to the credit cards that you use for these payments. And with that out of the way, here's a more detailed step-by-step guide of what you need to do. First, speed up your tax payments to 12-month installments. Then, set up GIRO payments to automatically pay every month. That way, your money will get to sit in the bank longer and you get to earn some additional interest from your bank. Now, while you can use any Singapore bank to perform GIRO payments, the best bank that you can use for this is the HSBC Everyday Global account. That's because this account will give you a 1% cashback on your eligible GIRO payments, such as tax payments, insurance payments, as well as non-HSBC credit card payments. To start earning this 1% cashback, all you need to do is transfer in at least $2,000 into this account every month, while making 5 simple transactions every month. The $2,000 doesn't have to stay in the account, so technically, you can just transfer $2,000 in, then transfer the money back out, and you will still qualify for this criteria. Though, make sure to always keep at least $2,000 in the accounts so that you can meet the minimum account balance. Otherwise, HSBC EGA will piak you with a monthly $5 fall below fee. As for the 5 transactions, it can be something as simple as GIRO bill payments, outward fund transfers, or pay now. So technically, you can just transfer $1 out 5 times and you will still qualify. Okay, back to IRAS. To set up monthly GIRO payments, first log into IRAS, then at the top, click on Accounts, Apply or Manage GIRO Plan. Then under New Bank Arrangement for GIRO, look for HSBC Bank, then select. Under Individual Income Tax, choose the Monthly GIRO Plan option and select 12 installments. Then just tick to confirm the terms and conditions. After that, IRAS will send you over to HSBC. So just fill in the information and you are done. Step 2. Use your credit cards to pay your tax bills to earn some credit card rewards. Unfortunately, IRAS does not accept credit card payments as they want to keep the cost of collection low to preserve public funds. So an alternative is to use payment services such as CardUp, iPayMy, and CityPayAll to make payments on your behalf. And of course, there's a catch. The catch is that these payment services aren't running a charity, so they'll be charging you a fee to make these payments. And here, some people will be like, got fee ya? Like that's still worth using meh? For that, it really depends on how much you value your rewards. For cashback cards, it's pretty straightforward. As long as the cashback that you are earning is higher than the fee, then you will have already made a profit. Check this out. The 2 best cashback cards that you can use are Maybank Platinum Visa Card and the Bank of China Family Card, which gives 3.33% and 3% cashback respectively, provided that you can meet the minimum spend. Both CardUp and iPayMy are currently running a promo, which lets you make tax payments at a reduced fee of 1.75%. So if you do the calculations, after you net off the fees, you will still get to earn a cashback of 1.25% and 1.58% respectively, which is still pretty decent. Quick pause. If you are looking for the cheapest broker to start your investing journey, check out Interactive Brokers. It has the lowest fees for stocks, ETFs, options, and more. Not just that, Interactive Brokers lets you easily research stocks. Like, you want to check out companies' financials? Here it is. You want to check out analyst ratings? Here's a bunch of them. It even has free technical insights which tells you where the stock might possibly go next. So sign up to Interactive Brokers today, and let's get back to the video. As for mouse cards, it depends on how much you value your mouse. If you don't know how to value mouse, you can check out this video here. But personally, I value my mouse at around 1.25 cents each. So as long as I can earn my mouse at anything less than 1.25 cents, I will say that it is worth it. For this, you have a number of mouse cards that you can use. And yes, the chocolate Visa card is here, because I've confirmed with them that you can indeed use it on CardUp. To calculate the cost per mile that you see here, I just take the service fee, then divide it by the miles earned. So for example, assuming I want to make a $1,000 tax payment, the service fee would be $1,000 multiplied by the service fee, which in this case is 1.75%. Then for the miles earned, I just take the $1,000 tax payment multiply it by 1 plus 1.75% fee, because the fee itself will also earn miles. Then multiply it by the earn rate. For example, 1.4 miles per dollar, and tada! You arrive at the cost per mile. So based on my valuation of 1.25 cents per mile, I would say that using the chocolate Visa card is the most worth it for me, since it lets me buy miles at 0.86 cents each. This is followed by the UOB Privy Miles Visa card, which lets me buy miles at 1.23 cents each. So once you know what card you want to use, here are the promo codes that you can use at CardUp and iPayMy. And of course, some promo codes are just better than others. The reason I didn't include CityPay all here is because they have not released their promotion for the tax payments this year yet. But anyway, here's how you can use these codes. If you are a new user to iPayMy, you can first sign up to iPayMy via my link. You will then receive a code to get your $30 off your first payment. For this, the best payment amounts to make full use of this is $1,250. Otherwise, if you have an OCBC 90-degree N card, you can use the OCBC promo code to get a 1.55% fee at CardUp. This is for new users only. And lastly, you can also use my code KELTAX25R to get a 1.75% fee for recurring tax payments at CardUp. This is available for both new and existing customers. Now, here's a quick tutorial on how to use CardUp to pay your income taxes. First, click on the Create Payment button on the top right hand side, Taxes, then IRAS Income Tax. Enter in the amounts that you want to pay each month. For example, $100. Select the card that you want to use. If you have not added the card yet, you will need to add it first. As for the payment plan, just choose Standard Payments. For how often is this payment made, select Every Month. As for the first monthly payment, since IRAS GIRO deducts the payment from your bank accounts on the 6th of every month, what you want to do is schedule the CardUp payment at least 1 week before that. So in this case, I will just select the earliest 26th to be safe. As for the last monthly payment, CardUp can only pay for 11 months. This means the last month would be 11 months from the first payment date, which in this case is March 2026. As for the promo code, you can just use any of the eligible CardUp codes here, and the discounted fee will be shown on the Reviews tab. For GIRO or recurring payments, you will need to upload your GIRO payment plan from IRAS. Then click Continue. Lastly, at the review page, you can see that CardUp will now only charge a 1.75% fee each time. If everything is okay, just click Confirm Payment Setup and you are done. Next, if you are using iPayMy, here's also a quick tutorial on how to use it. First, sign up to iPayMy using my link here. Then log into iPayMy. At the top right, click on Make Payment, Domestic, then choose Tax. Enter in the amounts that you want to pay, your NRIC number, then upload your Notice of Assessment. Choose your schedule type and when you want to make your payment. And here, you will see that the default fee is 2.4%. If you have signed up via my referral link, you should have received an email that looks something like this. Here, you will find a promo code that you can use to get $30 off. So just use it, make the payment, and you are done. So that was how to make payment to IRAS via CardUp and iPayMy. For the final step, you will need to set up GIRO payments from HSBC to pay your credit card bills to enjoy a 1% cashback. For this, you will need to download the GIRO form of the bank that you are using. For example, if you are using a UOB card, you will need to get the GIRO form from UOB. Download it, fill it up, and mail it over back to the bank. The bank will typically take about a few weeks to a month to approve the GIRO. So that was a quick step-by-step guide on how to pay your income tax and earn the reward. Hopefully, you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.